Three, two, one, jump!
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Akila Minti Safi. My metric number is 221220775. Right. Today I would like to talk about the problem background and also the dependent and independent data. Okay. So the problem background is about the outlier and high leverage point in finance report competitive. Okay. The independent data, the independent data and also the dependent data is, the dependent data is y. Meanwhile, the independent data is x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.
Simple linear regression. In this section, I will explain about the scatter plot, correlation coefficient, general form or SLR equation, testing the regression slope P1, coefficient of determine. Scatter plot are the graphs that present the relationship between two variables in dataset. The purpose of scatter plot is to describe the nature of the relationship between independent variable x and dependent variable y in visual way. Refer to scatter plot or often called scatter diagrams. The independent variable x is plotted on the horizontal axis and the dependent variable y is plotted on the vertical axis. Correlation coefficient. A value that tells you the strength and direction of a relationship between variables. 1 is referred to stronger positive correlation, 0 is referred to zero correlation, and -1 is stronger negative correlation. The number in the red spot refers to general form of SLR equation or simple linear regression equation. The simple linear regression equation provides an estimate of the population regression lines. Next, the number in the red box refers to the testing the regression slope P1. B1 is the estimate change in the average value of y as a result of a one-unit change in x. The coefficient of determination is the portion of the total variation in the dependent variable that is explained by variation in the independent variable. The coefficient of the determination is also called R-square.
Hi everyone, my name is Nosara Ain binti Mat K. My metric number is 221222858. Okay, since this is my part, so I would like to tell you guys about advantage or disadvantage of multiple linear regression, or we call as MLR. Okay, so today wait. Other than that, I will tell you guys about conclusion for the whole assignment that we do. So, let's go. Here we have two advantages of multiple linear regression. Okay, number one, ability to determine the relative influence of one or more predictor variable to the criterion value. Okay, number two, we have ability to identify outliers or anomalies. And for the conclusion, we have three. Multiple linear regression have advantage and few disadvantage that usually comes down to the data being used. Number two, the main difference between simple and multiple regression include two or more independent variables. And last but not least, regression analysis is a powerful and useful static procedure with many applications for nursing research. So that's all from our group. Thank you.